are here at Automation Expo happening in Mumbai. And we have with us Mr. Sridhar Kamath, who is the co-founder and chairman of Electronic Automation Private Limited. So, sir, can you please tell me about EAPL?
Oh, yes, of course. EAPL, you all already know about it. And I don't think there is much to be said about it. And the magazine that you have printed out, well, it has an article which speaks about the electronic automation as well as its plans for the future. That's basically the thing. And it has become a name in automation, in electronics, in every industrial activity field where solutions are being looked out. They are trying to find out what best solutions can be obtained for developing their own industries. So we are at EAPL. Our whole focus is on developing innovative new ideas, solutions. And innovation is not a one-time effort. Innovation is a continuous process. Likewise, the solution at a given point of time, well, it may be a good solution at that point of time. But again, it needs to be matched with the times which are changing, ever changing rather. So EAPL is in the process of giving those solutions depending on the time factor, depending on the new innovations and the needs of the customers. All our efforts are oriented in this direction. See, you can see this a new product. It's a simple PSM. At one point of time, it used to be as big as this, and today it has come to this size, and it's going to be still smaller, still compact. So innovation, compactness, reliability, and easy solutions for the problems which are again not static problems. Problems are again continuing. Solutions are also equally required to be continuing. And that's what EAPL is at. So all our products that you can see here, they are based on this, based on the requirement of the times at a given point of. They are not the same thing what they used to be 10 years ago. Maybe 2 years ago, it was something different. Even now, when we have updated it till today, well, our customers come and say, can you make something little different? So it's a continuous process, and we are quite comfortable with this continuity. And all our friends, engineers, people working in the research, they are all geared and oriented towards this end. And that's our strength. So EAPL is not a company which believes in static existence. It's an evolving and a continuous, ongoing process, solution finding company. So that's what it is.
And sir, what are the agent products that you want to display and focus on in Automation Expo?
Now you can see this whole range of these things: sequential timers, digital time switches, multifunction meters, annunciators. Again, annunciators of different varieties and different ranges. Now the new products like these power supplies from 5 volts, 10 volts, 15, 24, and it's again changing. And this is what I showed you this. So these are some of the products. And in each range of product, there are totally, I can say, about 5 to 600 products are on the list. We can't display every one of them here, but that's what it is. And the engineers and the experts who come here, they understand what it means. So, and that's our experience has been since morning today, even in this exhibition. So this is what it is.
And so, what are the major industries that are benefiting from happiness?
Almost every industry can get benefit because every industry needs innovation. See, earlier, any product used to be as big as this or maybe huge. Present day situation is that, well, people look out for compactness. They look out for extra solutions because they are changing and they want solutions also in a changing form. So every industry, whether it is cement industry, whether it is steel industry, sugar, any the pharmaceuticals, every industry, whether it is process industry or otherwise, well, they need solutions. And for finding solutions, well, EAPL is the best possible destination.
That's one how have your products adapted in like since you said it's been 2 years ago these products were different.
Yeah, not products are not different.
They're customized.
Yes, that's correct. Absolutely, absolutely.
What changes have you seen those years?
Now the changes you can see in the voltage. People want, say, if you have 3-line product display, they said, no, we would like to have 4 lines, 5 lines. So as many as outputs that we can think of. Earlier, one output was enough for one product. Today, second time, they said, no, no, we'd like to have double output. Uh, Likewise, it keeps changing, and we need to update ourselves also on this basis, depending on the needs of the people. Let's see what it is. It's in every field that way. Changes which keep happening. It's a continuous process, and it's not restricted to any one industry. And the solutions are not meant for only one industry. Every industry needs a solution. Every industry needs to upgrade itself because technologies are changing. Introducing new technology requires new approach, new solutions, new orientation, new training. Well, that's what it is. It's part of the entire change which happens, and the change is the essence of life.
And so like with the recent geopolitical changes happening, have your exports been affected?
For us, no. But changes are happening all over the world, especially in India also, because India is a very, very interesting country, which is in for a change, in for a problem also. So it may affect, but for the time being, I don't think we are in any way affected. But India as a whole may have a lot of impact on the present geopolitical situation that exists today.
For your plans for the future, EAPL is done.
Finding out new solutions, new innovation, new technologies, and that is our field. And that is our, I would say, very essence. If EAPL is known for its innovation, for its thinking about the future, and finding out the solutions, what the people can themselves adopt. They may not have an idea about the solutions. They don't have even the idea about the problems. So our people, they find out, well, this is your problem. We identify their problems and tell them that, well, I can give you a solution for this. And then they understand, oh, yes, it is a real problem. We never thought of this. So this is what it is.
Thanks. Hi.
Oh, yes. So nice talking to you. And this magazine which you have published, it's very beautiful, I would say. Yeah, it has come out well. Presentation is very nice. Uh, and the I'm told that you have edited some of the articles also.
Yes, yes. Everything that you said.
Yeah, and good that you have done it without affecting, without changing its essence. That's the interesting thing. Thank you very much for the same.
Thank you so much for being part of the life.